Hey guys, and welcome back. I'm going to do a little restoration on this newest figure I picked up, the Adventure Team Air Adventure. Picked this guy up off eBay. It's, really in good shape overall. It does have some flocking issues. As you can see, the beard is a bit worn away. And he's got a spot up top and across here a little bit. He's got very minor scuffing on his eyebrows. Those are all things that we could touch up here. So I'm going to be doing that. He doesn't have any broken joints, so that's a really good thing. And he's pretty tightly strung. He holds his poses really well. So all this guy really needs is a new haircut. And that's what we'll go ahead and do for him. So before I go ahead and strip the flock on this guy, I want to take note of the mix that they've got for the, this is the original vintage. So it looks like he has, of course, blonde, red, and it looks like even a little bit of white mixed in there to create the overall color. So I'm going to try and recreate that as closely as I can. Probably won't be dead on, but it's a really nice mix. I think it looks really good. So we'll try and match that up. Alright, so we're back. I have removed all of the old flocking from the head. So he is prepped and ready to do the reflock. I also did a quick touch up on the eyebrows as well. So we'll go ahead and get him set up for reflocking. Alright, so I just finished flocking him. It is still wet right now. But just thought I'd take a closer look at it in the light. See how the color blend came out. Alright, so the glue is dry, the head is pretty much done now. So there he is. Give you a 360 look. I'm not sure if I nailed the color match, but I think it came out pretty nice. Definitely a lighter blonde look to it. That's it. That's the Air Adventure. He's reflocked. I'm ready to get back in action. Kind of came with the dangerous climb suit, so I just gave him the pickaxe that goes with it. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed a look at my quick little restoration on him. Thanks for watching. Till next time.